Speaking practice for the present perfect. Listen to the sentence, then pause the video and repeat after me. Think about the structure we studied. Train your brain to master the present perfect. Let's get started. Have you ever been to Greece? I highly recommend you go. I haven't eaten any fruit today. Experts recommend we eat 5 pieces a day. I've never tried caviar, but I really want to. Where is the most interesting place you have ever been? My car is broken down. It's the 3rd time it has broken down this year. Has William worked hard this term? Has he done all his homework well? Brian is incredibly fit. He has run in 20 marathons, and he plans to do another one next month. This is the most peaceful place I have ever visited. It's like paradise. I've never seen that woman before. Is she the new employee? Is this the first time you visited London? No, I have been here many times before. Warren Buffett and Bill Gates have donated billions of dollars to charitable causes. Edward made a New Year's resolution to read more. He has read 20 novels so far this year. Who is the most famous person you have ever seen or met? Is this new Marvel movie good? I don't know. I haven't seen it. Shall we go and watch it? Sorry, I am really bad at tennis. This is the first time I have ever played. Let's plan something special for Mike's birthday. Has he ever been to Paris? Can you play poker? Yes, but I haven't played for over a year. I have never won any money on the lottery, but I've spent so much on it over the years.